My name is Miss Salazar, and I'm going to be going over some information on your last lesson, which is about fossils. So we're going to be doing an entrance ticket today, a little different from our exit tickets, um, and we're going to find out what we've. So the first question is going to be and you could see it on the whiteboard behind me, um, is what can fossils tell us about the landscape in the actual area they were found? I'll give you a minute to answer. And when you're done, just raise your thumbs up and let me know that you're done, okay? All right, we have about half of the class done. A couple more seconds to go. You guys can see the timer behind me. Great. All right. Well, then we answered that question. Our next question is, what is it if you find, say, a fossil of the whale that you just mentioned? Um, what does it tell you about that land form? So you're in a you're in a desert and you find a whale fossil. What does that tell you? Again, one more minute. And then again, raise your thumbs up and let me know that you're ready. Awesome. Thank you. All right, we have half of the class done and we are going to continue. Okay. All right. And the last question we're going to say is that what you've just told me that you can find sometimes even whale fossils in deserts. So when we find the fossil itself, for example, what does that say the skull or the bones themselves say about the animal? So we find a whale. What about the fossil tells you that they are a whale or a dolphin or a fish? Something specific that they have that lets us know that those animals were in the water, like you said. Okay, I'm going to give you one more minute. And if you need the question again, all the questions are behind me on the whiteboard. You guys are doing really good. You guys are doing a great job. All right, we have half of the class done. All of those thumbs up. All right. Well, I'm going to ask for some volunteers, okay? So, Jacob, what is it that you think is a characteristic about the actual bones or fossil that you find? Great. Yes, they have fins. Awesome. Great job, class. Thank you very much. You guys know your stuff. All right, here's Mr. Cruz.